cool. That's a cool picture.
Yeah, you see the angled downpour?
This is Meteor crater, and this is the site of an asteroid impact about 50,000 years ago.
It's a very interesting view. Right
This
now,
crater is important because it is so well preserved and it's accessible. People from around the world can come here and see firsthand the effects of even what a small asteroid can do. When you see it in person, when you stand here, when you look at this, you can feel the power, the effects of this impact. The asteroid that hit here was tiny, only about 20 meters across, so that's just a bit bigger than a school bus. You can see some rocks on there, boulders there, that are about the size of the boulder that hit here. And look at the area of destruction that this thing caused. The one that struck in Tunguska in Siberia in 1908, much larger. And even that was thousands of times smaller than the one that killed off the dinosaurs. This impact threw out hundreds of millions of tons of rock to form this crater in a fraction of a second. And it threw rock and wind out at supersonic speeds for miles around. When you were on the exit on your way here on Route 40, the winds right there were about 500 kilometers per hour. And not only were there 500 kilometer an hour winds, it was filled with molten rock. It was swept away. Asteroid impacts like this have happened in the past, and they will happen in the future. An asteroid of this size actually hits the Earth every couple of decades. Most of those explode in the upper atmosphere, and most of those actually are out over the ocean, so we never see them. If this was to happen again in the middle of a large city, the consequences would be devastating. If you look at the area of destruction around here, look at the height of this crater. That's about the height of the Transamerica building in San Francisco. In fact, the downtown region of San Francisco, the central district, would fit neatly inside this crater. So you could see that an area that size would be completely blown away, but it would throw rocks and sand and supersonic winds outwards from there and destroy miles of area surrounding that. It would be total destruction.